Okay. All right. Yeah, somebody needs to be my police and say, hit record. All right, we're on the back page of Chapter 1 review. We are taking a test on Tuesday. We are testing on Tuesday. You are going to be fine. We're testing on a Tuesday. It's not even Monday, right? So, we are on the back page. We're going to go through this back page mostly together, some together, and then I'm going to do some whiteboard problems with you. Okay, so here we go. 30. We are finding the midpoint. This back page is all about midpoint. I want to find the middle from R to T. Now, R is at -1 and T is at 4. And finding the midpoint is like finding the average. Okay, I'm averaging those two together. Average means, here we go. Everybody listen to this. There are times in this chapter where we say, how far apart is -1 and 4? And that is 5 units. That is not what we're doing when we're finding the average. When we're finding the average, we take 4 and add a -1, which is different than finding the difference, right? We're adding now instead of subtracting, finding the distance between them, okay? So average is different than finding the distance between, all right? 4 plus a -1, and then what do we do? Divide by 2. 4 plus a -1 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Okay? I would really caution you too. As soon as you do that, 1.5 is this right here. Does that look about in the middle? Yes. Check your answer that way, all right? You do 31 and 32. I will do them real quick and and then you can check. You get an answer.
2.5. No?
Try again. I agree with the third one, but not that middle one. I'm talking to him. You're right. You're right. Yeah, that's right. I don't agree with your middle one.
Yeah. I miscounted.
Yeah, okay. I got them. It's what?
Okay. Did you get through them?
Yep.
Those three, was that enough time for you?
Yeah.
31, you're looking at -4 and 7. When you add those together, that is, no. -4 plus 7 is how much?
3.
3 divided by 2 is 1.5 again, okay? And 32 was easier. 2 and what? 2 and 10? And 2 plus 10 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Did you get 6?
Yeah.
Okay, check and look. Does it look like 6 is in the middle? Okay, does it look like 1.5 is in the middle? All right, don't get it wrong just because you forget to check. All right, now we have midpoints, but now I have coordinates. Here I just had 1 unit, like this number and this number find the middle. Now I have like coordinates. How do I do that? How do I have the middle? Yeah, I'm going to do the x's. I'm going to put those together and divide by 2. So I don't know if you need a formula. Here it is. 5 and -1, I'm going to add those together. 5 plus -1 divided by 2. And then I'm going to do 24 plus 10 divided by 2. I'm adding the x's and adding the y's and dividing each one by 2. And that will give me one coordinate where they're in the middle. All right. What's 5 plus a -1? 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. What's 24 plus 10? 34 divided by 2 is 17. Beautiful. You do the other two. And those are all positive numbers. That was too easy, right? When you see that on the test, finding the midpoint, you're finding the average. You're averaging the x's, you're averaging the y's.
What's 134 divided by 2?
67.
67.
Did you do that on purpose? Put pink underneath of your
What?
shirt? I like it. The pink.
It goes hard.
It what?
It goes hard.
What does that mean?
Oh my gosh.
Like it's tough. Like it's cool.
Okay. All right.
Pro tip.
Yeah.
Never-
What he said. Okay.
never-
I have aura. Yeah.
You have what?
Aura.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry
Okay,
about
you're
it.
giving me more words that I don't understand.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, heavens. All right, did you get an answer? 34, 35. Did you get 2, 18?
Yeah.
You betcha. Did you get 67, 57? You betcha. Awesome. Okay. Does that seem abouts in the middle? Probably. All right, last one. Okay. It is telling me that M is the midpoint from J to K. Draw a dang picture, please. I think on the test, if you get it wrong and you don't draw a picture, maybe it'll take off twice as many points. How about that? If you get it wrong and you don't draw a picture, I will take off twice as many points.
Double points if we get it right without a picture?
No.
Well, then, yeah, that's
Draw
not fair.
a
That's
picture.
Racist.
Draw a picture. I don't care.
But if we get it wrong and we do the picture, we
Then you get off.
Then we don't get any points off. I feel like
Whatever.
if you draw the picture, you shouldn't get any
Does the
points off.
picture have to be like a line?
If you get it wrong and you draw a picture, I'll only take off half. How about that? Okay? Draw a dang picture. All right, now, before, when we did this problem on the back side or on the front side, we would say, like, something is between whatever. And I always said, put him off to the side, right? So you don't think he's exactly in the middle, except for this one, where it says M is the midpoint. He is, in fact, exactly in the middle. Okay? Now, before I even label anything, I'm going to do one thing. Draw the little tick marks so I can remember that those two things are the same. All right, now from J to M, this distance is y plus 4. From M to K, this distance is 2y plus 2. All right. They want us to solve for JK, which is the whole thing. All right, what are you going to do?
You equal both of them to each other.
Yeah, they're equal to each other. Y plus 4 is equal to 2y plus 2. Now, that is not true if they don't tell you it's the midpoint. If you don't know it's exactly in the middle. All right, so let's subtract the y. I don't know.
And then
4 equals, what's 2y minus y?
2.
What's 2y minus y?
Why?
Why?
One.
I love it when my algebra kid, but I don't have algebra 2 anymore, but I love it when my algebra 2 kids say this. Right? Because you've subtracted the y, of course, right? No, that doesn't work.
That's not how that
Right? The y's cancel out because you have a y minus a y. They're dividing, right? Like they're taking 2y divided by y, whatever. So this is y plus 2. Okay, let's subtract the 2. Y is, that's a lot of 2's. Y is 2. Okay, now we've got to, I don't know, plug in.
Plug in for both.
2 plus 4, that makes this side 6. Do I have to plug in the other side? No, we know he's 6, so the whole thing is 12. So what's the final answer?
JK equals
12. JK is 12. JK equals 12. Whatever. Okay? JK. All right, go. 37. You do it. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. What?
Is it this many?
I have no idea. I haven't even looked at the dang thing yet. So just.
It's a decimal. I didn't draw a picture, so we'll see how I do.
Brady,
I didn't draw a picture on the first one and I got it right.
What did you get?
plus a whole.
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it is
I
not.
don't think you're right.
Is this
Yeah,
correct?
it
Is this
No.
correct?
I don't think.
No.
It is, I promise. I'll prove it to you.
No.
Here, can I draw it up for you?
Oh, wait a second.
That's right.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
I got it right.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, he should be rounded that way.
I'll round it to. I'm right, I promise. Okay, watch. Yes, I am.
No, you are.
Oh, actually.
Actually, wait.
Oh, bummer.
Oh, wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh,
And this is
what are
gonna
we-
fool a whole bunch of people. Now you got. This.
I don't know why you did that though.
Now you got this.
Yeah, why did you do that?
Which equals this.
I wouldn't have done it that
And
way.
then you
I wouldn't have
minus
done it that
this.
way. Woo!
Bro, there's a way easier way,
Brady, you're
Brady.
cooking.
Brady, there's a way easier way.
Colton, you got it wrong. I don't want to hear it.
Actually, she said I got it right. So.
No, it's wrong. Yours is wrong.
Oh.
Yours is
You
wrong.
said it was right 5 minutes ago.
No, it's wrong.
That was like 1 minute.
It's
ago.
wrong. Yep, Brady's right.
Oh yeah, high five. Brady.
I can't
Do
read.
this one.
Eesh. Did you draw a dang picture? All right, here we go.
Pictures are for losers.
Pictures are not for losers. Pictures are for people who get the answer right. All right. JK. J is here. K is here. M is in the middle. He is the midpoint. From J to M, draw a picture. He is 12A plus 2. Now, here's what I screwed up the first time and what most people screwed up. This is not 76.
No.
Guess what is 76?
Whole thing.
The whole thing is 76. Which means that this chunk right here is how much of the 76?
Half.
Half of it. What's half of 76?
34.
38?
No, 38.
38?
38.
38 and 38? That's what those are, right? That's how I would do it, Brady. It's fine if you double the 2A plus 2. That's fine if you do that and set that equal to 76, but I would do it 38, right? Okay, so now what? How do I solve for A?
Subtract 2 over.
This guy is equal to 38. 12A plus 2 equals 38. Let's subtract the 2.
Divide by 12.
12A equals 36 and divide by 12. Brady is right.
I see what I did wrong now.
Those words coming out of my mouth taste like vomit. Blech.
I see what I did wrong.
Okay, oh, do we have to plug back in?
Yeah, no.
No, because it said solve for A, right? Okay. All right, whiteboards. Pass those papers in, please. And I will give you credit for doing that. Pass those papers in, and I will give you credit for doing that. Oh, do you want to study with these?
Yeah.
Okay, then wait, and we'll pass those papers in on Tuesday. Okay, hold on to those. Use this to study.
Stab it, Jace.
Jordan, behind you, he handed papers.
No, you aren't.
If you want these to study, keep them. Otherwise, I'll take them here, and then I'll grab more of them on Tuesday. Okay? Which ones are the hardest ones? The ones where you're finding a fifth of the distance and it's slanted? Let's do those. Okay. Grab a whiteboard. Most of you have them already. Let's do this. Should I do one that comes out nicely? Okay. All right. Let's go -2, -2. -2, -2. There he is. Right? Okay. And I want 2, 6. Okay. -2, 2, and 2, 6. Okay. And here is A and here is B. I want you to find X such that find X from A to B. That's 1/4 of the distance. From A to B. 1/4 of the distance. I tried to make this come out nicely. It is 1/4 of the distance from A to B. This should come out as a whole number. If you get a decimal, you did it wrong. From A to B. From A to B. Yikes. Yikes, yikes. From A to B.
Pictures are detailed enough.
Is it A?
This?
No.
That's like at least
No.
one.
No.
Wait,
Yes,
what are we all
huh?
doing wrong?
I don't know.
What are we doing
That's
wrong?
not it.
What's the square root of 80? What's
We
the,
don't
I know he did.
what's the square root of 80?
Wait.
You have to go
Oh.
1 unit this way and 2 units that way from where?
From
Yeah, yep.
Here. I did. Look at
No.
the dots.
No.
Look at the dots.
No.
One. One.
1 unit this way and 2 units this way. 1 unit from here and 2 units from here.
Like this?
So is it this?
That's everybody.
Is it that?
-1, 2. Yes.
I know.
Is it that?
Look, from the turn. If here's -2, -2. You move it to the right one.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes,
Fuck
yes.
you, trying to.
Hey, are we
Oh, no,
stuck?
no,
Is anybody
sorry.
stuck?
If
Are you stuck?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Here.
Real quick. Pause. Real quick. Let's say I have a number line that goes from 2 to 10. 2 to 10, right? Here is A and here is B, right? How far apart are they, by the way?
They
They are 8 units. I want to go a fourth of the distance. Here's the problem that I'm seeing a lot of you. If I'm going a fourth of the distance, hold on. What's a fourth of 8? Hold on. Shh.
It's 2.
Fourth of 8 is 2. I'm seeing a lot of people circle the answer 2.
No.
You're going 2 units, but you're starting at 2. So where should he end up? At 4. All right. Now here, when you're dealing with a slanted line, it is the exact same thing, except you're doing an X and you're doing a Y. So going from -2 to 2. How far is that? 4 units. What's a fourth of 4? Is 1, right? Okay, now, -2 to 6 is how many units? 8 units. What's a fourth of that? Is 2. You're doing the same thing, but you're doing it twice, right? One with the X coordinates, one with the Y coordinates. Now, I saw a lot of people say this. 1, 2 is my answer. Kind of like you say 2 is your answer down here. 1, 2 is from here. I'm going 1 unit and 2 units. So I have to add 1 and add 2 to these coordinates right here.
-1, 0.
-1, 0. Do you see how that works?
Yes,
Yeah?
I see what I did wrong now.
So if you would put like all the types of those.
Now, -1, 0 is that spot, right?
Give us one that
Hey, what?
doesn't go out even.
You want a one that doesn't come out nicely?
Yes, let's do it.
Not yet. I'll do another nice one. Okay? Let's do another nice one. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to make this a little bit trickier, but I'll still make it nice, okay? All right, here is A and here is B. No, I'm still going A to B. I'm still going A to B, left to right. Okay, but he's going downhill, so be careful. All right? This is at -3, I don't know, 8. And this is at 2, -2. No, it's not drawn to scale, whatever, okay? I want you to find X from A to B so that AX to XB is 2 to 3. Is 2 to 3. Is 2 to 3.
Doesn't come out nice, does it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I found it already. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, you already found it?
Is this it?
Shh. No.
Wait, no, I have to do that one thing.
Are you sure?
Oh, what did you have? Yeah.
This is it,
That's what you
correct?
had. That's what you had, right? That's what you had?
Yeah. This is it.
That's what you had? Yeah.
This?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I realized. Give us a no. Give us a hard one.
Simon, you're not gonna know how to do these when it comes test time. Okay, but I've showed you how multiple times, and you have been staring off on the ceiling every time.
No,
Your second number is not right,
Wait. Yeah.
but I know what you did
Yours is correct. I got the same thing.
because -1, 12 is up here.
I'm not sure. That answer.
But it's 2 to 3.
Did you get it?
So you go.
2 to 5.
We do another one like that.
You move 2 over.
Where he goes downhill.
Oh.
No, we didn't down now.
I got
Go
it. That
for
was
That's better.
or up. No, down.
Yeah. All right, should we go through this? Let's talk through this real quick. When it says 2 to 3, what is that as a fraction?
It's 2
If you're stuck, make sure you're listening right now. It is 2/5. 2 to 3 means 2 out of 5 chunks, right? I want to go 2/5 of the distance. All right, I'm going 2 different directions, though. I'm going in an X and a Y. If I look at X's, -3 to 2, how many units is that? From
5.
-3 to 2, 5 units. How many units is it from 8 to -2? 10, right? Okay. I want to go 2/5 of that. And I want to go 2/5 of that.
2.
Okay?
2 and 4.
If I take 5, the X direction 5 times 2/5, that is 2. If I take the 10, the Y direction 10 times 2/5, that is 4. So, is 2, 4 the answer? No. We have to start here.
2 is -1.
Hold on. We have to start here. Now, here's another problem that I saw. Okay? If I go 2 units and 4 units, this adds up to be -1 and this adds up to be 12. Okay, so I saw some people do -112, but -112 is like here, right? That's not even on the line. So what do I have to do differently? I have to subtract 4, right? He's got to go down this way, okay? Another thing that you could do so that you don't end up with the wrong answer is this. When you write out how many units are you going in the x direction, you are going 5 units in the x direction positive because you're going to the right. You are going 10 units in the y direction down, which is -10. So you should go -4, and then you can add -4 to 8, which should give you 4, right? -1, 4. So if you want to look at it that way, that will work also. Good? Okay? All right. Good. Should we do another?
No.
Yeah.
Let's do another one of those.
Another easy one, then a harder one.
Okay? You want it to come out nice or not come out nice?
Yes, because you just went downhill.
Come out nice? Come out nice? Okay. Let's go. I don't know.
Just a dot.
Okay, here's A. And B. Okay, I want 1 to 2, starting at A and going to B. 1 to 2, starting at A and going to B. 1 to 2, starting at A and going to B. I don't have my answer yet.
This one.
Me, Jordan.
Is this it?
That's what I got.
Yeah, let's put all of us
Jacob.
with on.
Jacob.
I'm not sure.
What'd you get? Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh. What'd you get, Jordan?
Yeah. No. This is
Whoa,
so
this
close.
does not
You were so close. Uno. Got it. Easy. Just regular uno.
Bro, you are an artisan, Kevin. Holy crap, that's actually really cool.
I just draw my pants.
If equal, we'll be by.
I already have a picture.
Wait.
Oh, you silly boy.
He's drawing really cool things.
What do you have, Jace? What do you have so
I
far?
didn't get it right. Brady
Why?
helped me.
What?
I did.
Brady helped me. I didn't get it right.
Yeah, you did. Negative 1. That's right.
Yeah.
Did you have enough time?
I can do math.
Got.
You cheated. Yes, you did. What? Yes, you did.
Wait, what are we doing?
All right, are we ready to go over it?
Oh, wait, what are we doing?
If I say 1 to 2, that is what fraction? 1/3, right? I want to go 1/3 of the distance. All right, here we go. Listen to this. I'm going to do it a different way. Maybe this will be helpful for you. If you're going from -4 to 2, you are going how many units in the x? You're going 6 units. If you're going from 4 to -5, how many units are you going in the y? I'm going to say -9, right? Because you're going down -9 to 5. Okay, what do I do with those? I'm going to multiply by 1/3 because I want 1/3. What's 1/3 of 6? 2. What's 1/3 of -9? -3. What do I do with those two? Add them back to which one?
The top.
The top, A. So I'm going to add 2 here and -3 here, which is -2, comma 1. That's where you should end up.
You got it right.
Okay? Good?
Now can we do a bad one?
Now can we do a bad one, that same kind?
You're.
All right, then we'll do a distance and a midpoint and call it a day. Maybe. We'll see.
We should do the distance and or midpoint right now.
All right, I'll make him go uphill. Whoop. A is here, B is here. A is at -4, comma, -5, and B is at, I don't know, 2, comma, 7. I don't know. But that's gonna come out nice. Let's go. Yeah. It's fine. Okay, I want 1 to 4. Yeah, let's go 1 to 4. Let's go 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 4 is your ratio. Go. It's not gonna come out nicely either one. Neither of them are gonna come out nice. Neither of them are gonna come out nice.
That's rude of you guys. Sorry, you. Oh no, this was directed towards you.
First one. Wait.
Me.
You want us to? No, I was thinking that it was just distance. My bad.
1 to 4.
Yeah.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Okay. So basically, this is not that one.
He's not gonna come out nice.
Allie, do it or I'm taking
Can you throw me a calculator? Tell me. I messed up. Oh gosh, that thing's
No cheating
expensive.
this time.
It's fine. It's got a low bat, but it should still be going. I think that's what I got. I think that's what I got. If my brain is braining,
I didn't throw this thing on.
that's what I got.
Did you get this?
You did your math not quite right on the first one.
Me?
Do your math again. Your work is all right, but your math is not correct. Yes, that's right. It's not even turning on.
Is it actually this?
Thank God!
We're learning.
I didn't. No work, mommy.
Is that a 2.8?
So I did go.
2.8? Yeah, he looks like a 1. Yeah, okay.
I did look at it.
Yes, we are learning. We are learning. You want to go through it together?
No.
Did you get the answer?
Is this it?
Negative. Yep, no, that's not the right answer for the other one, for the second one. It should be negative 2.8, comma. Is it negative 2.6? Negative 2.6.
I see what
There you
Oh,
go.
I forgot to.
Yep, you just subtracted wrong or whatever. Okay, yep. Okay, all right, good? All right, let's do this. I'm going to use those same points. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to find, out of those 2 points, I want you to find the midpoint. And then, after you find the midpoint of those 2 points, I want you to find the distance between them, which is the distance formula. You're going to have to remember the distance formula.
Can you?
Okay?
I already forgot how to
I know it is.
Midpoint. Finding the midpoint is like finding the
average.
average them together.
I grab X and Y.
Okay, you also want us to find the distance?
What?
Yes, you do want to find the distance.
I want you to find the midpoint, and I want you to find the distance of those 2 points. Midpoint, distance. Hold on, I gotta think.
Think fast.
Wait, is this the
180, right?
No.
180. So basically,
Yes.
the distance
I found the
is
midpoint.
180.
I don't know what the distance is.
correcto?
What? Yes.
How do you find
It
Yes.
looks good.
This correct?
Simon, you did half of it.
B squared plus B squared.
And then
Very good. Very good. Now you have to do the distance. Find the midpoint, find the distance.
Negative 4.
You know the distance formula, Simon?
So 6 on the bottom.
Do the distance formula.
Squared.
hey, is that what the distance is? I didn't use a calculator. Is that pretty close?
I don't know.
No shot. No shot.
Wasn't it like,
This shouldn't come out even, right?
yeah,
The
it's like
distance.
that. So like you,
Geometry.
it's like
Yeah.
the distance.
This is
That's not third.
This is X to B, correct?
Ready?
It might be.
This is
Yeah.
This
It's
is
the right whole number. I don't know if it rounds to that, but yeah.
Is it round to
No,
B?
no,
Yeah.
no, no.
Explain. Can you help me? Go much.
What?
It rounds to 4.
Does it really round to 4? You lucky dog.
No, it doesn't.
Crazy.
Help me, I don't understand.
Only skill. All right. Whatever. Whatever.
No, Brady.
Oh.
Whatever. Yes. What have I got? Yes. Yes. What? Distance between A and B. Yep.
The one you drew.
I drew a Mrs. Coleman.
You betcha.
No.
Oh wait, your midpoint's not right.
I did. It was really good. I'm gonna draw.
You dropped a
cow.
negative.
I'll fuck that.
I don't. How old are you? What kind of cow are you gonna draw,
So you
baby?
find,
No, you
got
don't.
like,
I'm gonna draw a cow too.
Are we ready to go through it together?
You had to write down.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Midpoint, finding average. Listen up.
what are the X's?
Listen up. We'll do another set and then we'll be done.
Minus negative.
Oh,
Reminder, and, you know, remember, Full pictures will be on Wednesday, September 4th. Picture packets are on the table outside.
the whole line.
Pick one up and fill it out. Those packets will
Gotcha.
be turned into the photographer.
You did the distance from this guy to the midpoint.
You're a calf fisher.
This.
So you could do that, but then you just have to double it.
Meeting on
This?
Wednesday, September 4th during lunch in the
No.
high school library.
You're, no. Yeah.
FFA members also, please check your
I drew a
emails
Brahma.
for a full form of responses. You need to get
That's
those
a Brahma.
out.
Dylan, I drew a Brahma. What do you think?
Yes. Did you get -1 for your midpoint?
Yes.
Your distance. Okay. Everybody watch real quick and then I'll have you do one more. Distance formula. You should set this up every single time. Square root of your two pieces squared. A squared, B squared, C squared. That's what he is, right? Okay. How far apart is -4 and 2? I'll say it again. How far apart is -4 and 2? 6. How far apart is -5 and 7?
12.
Okay, so 6 squared and 12 squared. 6 squared is 36, 12 squared is 144. If I add those together, I get the square root of 180, which is 13.4, approximately. Okay, all right, one more. Just do the distance. Just do the distance. -3, 5, and 7, 12. I have no idea.
It's this.
That's what it is.
Something correct.
Mhm.
I don't have my calculator out. So.
Jacob.
Oh, yeah.
No.
That's your midpoint. Do the distance now.
What are you doing? Chroma.
Is that a 2 or a 7?
The
No.
midpoint and distance.
Midpoint, just do distance. Just do distance, and then we'll put away.
This it?
Just do distance, yes. Okay, hold on. Don't put away yet until we're done. Until we go through it.
This or is it a 2?
Is a 2.
It's a 2.
Brady's a this.
No.
Wait, what is he?
No, I didn't. He's still recording.
What you?
He's still recording.
19.7.
Yeah. All right, real quick. Don't put away yet. Square root of your two pieces. All right. How far apart is -3 and 7? 10. How far apart is 5 and 12? 7. 10 squared is 100. 7 squared is 49. The square root of 149 is 12.2-ish. Okay? Nope, it's 12.2. 149. Yeah?
7 apart.
There's 7 apart. What?
It's 7 apart.
They're both positive. 7 apart, not 17. Yep. Okay. All right. Study those things. If you need to on your review, go through and study the things that you do not understand. We will test on Tuesday.